Welcome back to another explainer. Look, if you're gearing up to build a high-end AMD gaming PC for 2026, the data shows that picking the exact right parts is honestly a massive undertaking. And believe it or not, choosing your motherboard is absolutely one of the most crucial decisions you're going to make. It literally dictates what you can build today and what you can upgrade tomorrow. So today, we're focusing on a board that's been making serious waves, the MSI X870 Tomahawk WiFi. We're going to dig into the data, the specs, and the real-world performance to see if it truly serves as the ultimate foundation for your next dream PC.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our blueprint for today. We'll start by building a 2026 dream PC, then we'll decode the X870 specs, look closely at power, cooling, and connectivity, check out some real-world gaming performance, and finally wrap up with the pros, cons, and our verdict.
All right, Section 1, building a 2026 Dream PC.
To really grasp why you need such an incredible motherboard, we have to look at the sheer amount of hardware it has to support. The source material outlines a true dream gaming setup for 2026, and we are talking about serious muscle here. An AMD Ryzen 7 9800 X3D processor paired with an RTX 5080 graphics card. Throw in 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM, a 2TB NVMe SSD, and a 1000-watt gold power supply. A rig like this is going to handle 1440p and 4K gaming effortlessly. But to keep a system this extreme totally stable and to let these premium components actually communicate at peak capacity, you absolutely need an overpowered foundation.
Moving on to Section 2, decoding the X87 specs.
Right out of the box, this thing is just built to impress. Aesthetically, it rocks this premium black stealth design with some really cool military-inspired touches that look fantastic in any high-end setup. But functionally, it's an absolute beast. It uses the AMD AM5 Socket, meaning it supports Ryzen 7000, 8000, and those cutting-edge 9000 series CPUs. That is totally critical for future-proofing your build. And notice those massive heat sinks and the reinforced PCIe slots? That's MSI basically engineering this board for serious enthusiasts who are going to be slotting in incredibly heavy, powerful graphics cards.
Now you might be wondering, hey, why not just save some cash and go for a cheaper board? Well, here's the deal. The X870 chipset is designed specifically for users who want maximum performance, zero compromises. When we contrast budget boards against the X870, it's like night and day. With this premium chipset, you're getting vastly superior power delivery, significantly more robust connectivity, better overclocking support, and expanded storage options. The source makes it perfectly clear. Budget boards are totally fine for casual use, but for gamers, streamers, and creators pushing their systems to the limit, the premium build quality of the X8070 ensures longevity, stability, and plenty of room to grow.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the total shift to DDR5 memory. The X70 Tomahawk fully supports DDR5, which is unequivocally the new standard for premium gaming builds. And guys, this isn't just a minor tweak. DDR5 offers significantly faster data transfer speeds, which translates directly to massive gaming performance gains and greatly improved multitasking. If you're investing in a future-ready platform for 2026, DDR5 memory support is, without a doubt, an absolute necessity.
Let's head into Section 3, power, cooling, and connectivity.
So modern processors, especially those high-end chips up to the Ryzen 9 series, they are power-hungry. They require incredibly strong power delivery. MSI equipped the X87 Tomahawk with a highly capable VRM design right alongside those massive heat sinks we mentioned earlier. And why does this matter? Because it ensures absolute, rock-solid stability when your system is under a heavy load. Whether you're deep into a grueling gaming session, live streaming to your fans, rendering 3D graphics, editing 4K video, or even crunching AI workloads, this cooling setup guarantees your processor runs comfortably without breaking a sweat.
And this brilliantly illustrates the connectivity side of things, because a modern PC needs more than just raw computing power. It needs ultra-fast networking. The X870 platform takes a massive leap forward here. We're talking next-generation Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, a huge 5 gigabit Ethernet LAN port, and super versatile USB4 connectivity. So whether you're gaming competitively and need zero lag, or you're just downloading incredibly massive game files, you are getting an ultra-fast, perfectly stable connection every single time.
Storage speed is really the final piece of this foundational puzzle. This board lets you install multiple M.2 NVMe SSDs, and by taking full advantage of the next-gen PCIe 5.0 interface, you're getting incredibly fast Windows boot times, almost instant game loading screens, blistering file transfers, and buttery smooth editing workflows. It's wild. Your data literally moves as fast as your processor can think.
All right, Section 4, Real-World Gaming Performance.
Let's move to and see how this builds into real, tangible in-game frames. When you pair this robust motherboard with our dream components, that Ryzen 7 9800X3D and the RTX 5080, the numbers are just staggering. In competitive shooters like Valorant, you're looking at over 500 frames per second. For CS2, easily over 400 FPS. If you're more into visually demanding single-player stuff, this setup handles Cyberpunk 2077 on ultra settings and gives you incredibly smooth gameplay in heavy hitters like Black Myth Wukong. Call of Duty Warzone is going to run at sky-high frame rates, and most importantly, this system is entirely ready for future AAA titles. The motherboard is doing its job, ensuring absolutely zero bandwidth limitations are holding those frames back.
And finally, Section 5, Pros, Cons, and Verdict.
So, the crucial point is balancing what you get against what it actually costs. On the pro side, the X870 Tomahawk is an absolute powerhouse packed with the latest tech, Wi-Fi 7, USB4 5GB LAN, PCIe 5.0, and DDR5 readiness. That VRM cooling is excellent, and the AM5 platform makes it incredibly future-proof. But we've got to be real and acknowledge the cons. This board does carry a premium price tag. Plus, because you have to use DDR5 RAM, your overall build cost is going to jump up compared to older platforms. And honestly, if you only use your PC for casual web browsing or really light gaming, this motherboard is totally overkill.
But if you are not a casual user, the source material's final verdict is crystal clear. If you're building a high-performance gaming PC and you demand premium features, exceptional connectivity, and top-tier future upgrade support, the MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk Wi-Fi is absolutely one of the best choices available today. To quote the review directly, it's powerful, reliable, and ready for the next generation of gaming.
Which brings us to the ultimate question you have to ask yourself as we wrap